Well, happening now, the Sacramento City Council is preparing to vote on a $15 million plan to help the homeless during the pandemic. Sacramento County leaders have already voted to move forward. ABC 10's Monica Coleman is live tonight with the update. And Monica, where is this money coming from?
Chris, the money is coming from the federal government, and that money is going to the county and the city. That's why a vote is needed by both sides. And Mayor Steinberg says that he's confident that his council will follow suit of the county.
Both the city and county have been recipient of millions of dollars of emergency state aid and now emergency federal aid through the stimulus, and it totals about $15 million.
The city of Sacramento's $15 million plan will potentially get thousands of homeless off the streets during the coronavirus pandemic through a three-step process. First, making sure shelters, new and existing, are safe for the homeless, and that social distancing is being practiced.
So we're expanding some of the existing shelters to provide that kind of separation.
Second, Mayor Steinberg says the plan will make sure that people who choose to stay in encampments are given the resources they need to stay healthy.
We are making a much more aggressive effort to provide sanitation, supplies, and other services to people who are in tent encampments to help prevent the spread.
And lastly, the biggest part of the plan, turning motels and trailers into 990 beds for the most vulnerable and at risk in the homeless community.
People go into the beds and we're able to get them out of the motels into more permanent housing. Then we can turn that 990 over a couple of times.
The $15 million will only sustain the plan for 4 months. But Steinberg says that with a 75% reimbursement from FEMA, that the city will be able to continue with their efforts to keep the homeless off the streets, not just during the pandemic, but even after. If the city votes yes to putting their allotted money towards this $15 million plan, then the city will begin putting the homeless into those motels as early as Thursday.
My goodness, it's amazing how much money this costs, $15 million, and that only covers 4 months. Our Monica Coleman reporting live for us tonight.